Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your currency on CoinStats. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Open a web browser and go to coinstats.app and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official site for CoinStats. Go ahead and log into your CoinStats account like you normally do. And once you're logged in, you will be able to see this main interface. To change your currency, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Now select the currency option and click on the drop down. Select one of the currencies you'd like to change to, and that is how easily it can be done. As you can see that my currency has now been changed. So that is how you can easily change your currency on CoinStats. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.